going to reassemble the front subframe with the anti-roll bar and these for the steering. This was in a state when I took it off. This part here was all damaged, folded over. I've had to hammer that out. And there was a lot of rust on it. I welded this plate in there. Gorilla tape was over there with some underseal. I thought it was very good. And it's been welded here as well. I'll be fitting the anti-roll bar and I'll be fitting these. This block here, apparently it's for the stop the car diving when you put your foot on the brake. And I can't remember if it worked or not. It's been so long. Anyway, I'll set it up now. These are new. I bought 2 new ones. These are on the auction site. They're of a Rover SDI and they're exactly the same as a TR7. Mine were badly corroded in there, so I thought I'd change them. This bush is remaining. I was going to change them for poly bushes, but I thought, well, there's no point in doing that. In one of them, this was the bolt that was holding it in when somebody, whoever, replaced it. And as you can see, it's the wrong size. It should be a 12mm. So that's what I'll be doing first, putting these on, and then we put the anti-roll bar on. Right, I just put the anti-roll bar on, okay, and I fitted these here. These are poly bushes, either side, and this one. Now the difficulty is, you can put one in, but you won't be able to get the other one in. So I've used this strop to pull them in together, and then I've used this strop here to centralize it in there, because it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy to do. So now I've got to put these under there, and then this will be going on the top. This is to stop the car. These here are to stop the car dipping when you put your foot on the brake. And it's been so long now I can't remember whether they worked or not. Right, there we are. That's the block now. That's supposed to stop it diving. New poly push. And these now go on the top. Have to give this tap down. And nut and bolt on there now. And that should be right. There we are, that's on. Tighten this up here now. And we'll do the other one. Put that on. These bolts here are 10mm, and they come with this here and the cap in. I've run a 7/16 drill through there to give them a bit more slack, rather than damage the thread when you're hammering it through. So it makes it a lot easier. Right, these go on the top now. When I drilled those out, it made it easier to go on the washer. Locking it. Okay then, and that's it, all tightened up. I'll mark these bolts now with a yellow marker so I know that they're tight. These here will be tightened up when it's on the car and the engine's in it. There we are, that's been marked now in yellow marker to say that they've been tightened up. If you like what I've done, subscribe and even leave a message. Thank you.